dare you? How dare you shoot me in the face like that? Biatch!
Oh. Mein Leben!
It just 26 ammo. Oh fuck. Oh, he shot me. He shot me.
Leon! Ein Robot! Leon!
Here we go. $19. Gotta get better at that. Ah! There was one still alive, and he frightened me. And he frightened me. He's beyond. Huh. Which door shall I pick? Holy fuck. Hmm. Alright, do I need to wait?
I've been waiting
For a death like you
to come into my life.
14 seconds. I don't remember what I have the cooldown on. Probably 30 seconds. Because I was like, hey, you're not going to die within 30 seconds. Come on.
Wrong.
All right. Oh, he came up behind me. That doesn't help. And they come up behind you. Well. I ran out of bullets. Been roasted with guns. Dual pistols. Pew, 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 pew. Pew. Okay, that's definitely not the way to go. Are we trying to get to 249? 7 more seconds.
We're playing a game like.
All right. Trying to decide. Oh my god. Game changer. No, it's this weapon right here. I already have it. I guess I could use that. I'm leaving. Crap. Yeah, quite the secret. I think I got everything. We haven't even gotten to the final boss yet.
Mein Leben!
Oh my god. Really? Good thing I saved it on a different thing. Kind of wanted to reload anyway. No. Where were we? Yes, okay, I remember.
Mein Leben!
I hate how they can shoot around the corner like that. Drives me crazy. The other side. Fuck the other side. Save again. Here. No, 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 no. Can I always expect escape to take me back to the game, not exit the game. Fucking biatch. Alright, we're gonna reload. Yeah, we'll reload that. Cool with that. We're gonna go this way. We found the secret again. Fucking assholes! Love you. Assholes. Oh, come on! Alright, Marie. Kill me. Because we are reloading this. Oh, come on. No, 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 no. Hold on. That was just a bad save. Ah! Fucking A! I don't like this game anymore. I said I liked it, and then it was mean to me. Biatch! This is just where we came in from the other direction. So where's the bad guy? Where's the bad guy? God damn it, I'm almost dead again. Oh fuck. I don't even know where I'm at anymore. Where am I?
I know it's bad when the whole chat is just death count.
Yeah. I knew I was gonna die. Yeah, we'll go there. I'll wait for you to catch up. We're at 256. 8-bit integer. Unsigned. Actually, I guess that's 255. But if you include 0, that's 250.
Ooh, see if you can do 269.
269? We'll see. that? Oh, come on. I had to jump on you. And 38%? What the fuck? I thought that was the exit. Why am I, like, turned around? Oh, really? Fuck you.
Leon! Leon!
Exactly.
Mein Leben! Leon! Leon!
Knew it. I knew he was gonna be there.
Leon! Robin Steve.
Oh no. Oh my god, that scared me. It's like, what was that? It had like a different volume and everything. It scared me. It made me panic. I think it's the boss, because this is the boss level. It's just that they want you to have as much experience fighting all of this. Of course.
Leon! Robin Steve, better.
Oh, there he is. Holy fucking crap.
Leon! Mein Roman!
Gotta be. There's gotta be secrets.
Robin
Secret.
He's got like a missile launcher. And he just laid waste to my ass.
Robin Steve, better.
That sounds like a plot for a porno.
Yeah.
He's got a missile launcher, and he just laid waste to my ass. It's all in the inflection.
Yeah.
Robin Steve, better. Leon!
You see my strategy there? All right, here we go. We're gonna do it again.
Robin C. Better.
Wow, I still didn't get away with but 38% health. I only have 28 ammo. Gotta be. There's gotta be like a secret, right?
Robin C. Better.
Wow, the missile. That is a missile. That's what I'm trying to find.
Robin C. Better.
I thought maybe there would be some hidden somewhere. Maybe somewhere back in this level? Oh, thanks, Neil. He's like, you need some chocolate. Maybe it's like in the middle
Robin
somewhere.
C. Better.
What's tough is, I mean, not only does he have missiles, there's all those other guys too, right?
Robin C. Better. Mein Leben.
Boo. It's gotta be. It's a soggy envelope raid. It's a soggy envelope raid. Oh my god, panic. Panic. Panic everywhere. Panic. Panic for the soggy envelope raid. Clicking on this. Alright, so there's no way. Oh, fuck. Problem is I only have, like... Well, here. Alright. Let's go back. So I did find the one in there. Well, that'll give us some bullets. We'll go back. Oh, we're back at the beginning. Well, that'll help. Oh, we need more bullets, though. 68 ammo is not gonna cut it, Jack. Oh, fucking biatch. Ah, he came this way. Come on. Did I die? Did we kill each other? Thank you, Soggy Envelopes. Thank you again for the raid. Alright. Shit, they're right. Alright. We're gonna go this way. It was like right here. There's some more bullets. And then it was like here. Alright. Time to kick ass and chew bubblegum. And I'm all out of gum. Let's see, he was this way, wasn't he? Wow. He shot me right in the face.
Not the face.
That, you're right. That is in that, but I was really quoting Duke Nukem. But yeah, that works
Nukem?
too. I loved They Live. That was a great movie. With Rowdy Roddy Piper. I have to admit, Rowdy Roddy Piper was like my favorite wrestler growing up. I had a Hot Rod t-shirt and everything. Although, you know, I liked Randy Savage too.
I can't say that I liked any of them.
Did you watch wrestling?
Well, yeah, the first person I dated, this girl that I dated, in like junior high school, middle school, loved it. Like, we went and saw it.
Oh, really?
When it was in town.
Yeah.
It was
You liked Iron Sheik?
it was like WCW, I think.
Yeah.
It was the other one.
The other one with the Von Erichs?
But like, well, they had Ric Flair.
Ric Flair. Oh, yeah. Ric Flair.
But she liked Sting, who always wore like makeup.
Yeah.
And even back then, I thought Ric Flair was completely ridiculous.
Yeah, he was. Ridiculous.
Was enough best.
Yeah!
It always seemed a bit silly to me.
Let's see that again.
Was enough best.
Yay! 83 minutes on this level, on this episode. This was a long episode. The levels definitely seem much longer. The sign reads Goldberg, ears corn the long way. Yeah, and I assume you mean eats. Congratulations! The general gasped his last breath, and the free world is safe from the terrifying Nazi chemical war. You return to Allied headquarters, a Medal of Honor waiting for you. Allied Command informs you of some nefarious activities around Castle Holehammer. Something about some gray-skinned berserk soldiers. You did it! You have finished the sixth Wolfenstein episode. You are truly one of the greatest heroes. One of the great heroes. I know. Thank you. The world cheers your name. You get your picture taken with the president. People name their babies after you. You marry a movie star. Yes, you are so cool. The end.
Yeah, you're Captain America.
I just thought that was so funny how, whoops. Why can't I do... Okay. I guess I can't do a capital here? What's going on? It's like you're going to type it one way or the other. You're not going to get camel case. You're just getting upper or lower case. It doesn't really matter. A new generation of BJs. That's true. The hero's name is BJ. That's true. All right, we finished it. Well, I guess here's the credits, but they kind of just always ran. Thanks, Oceanic. All right. Well, we do have enough time to start a new game, so I guess we'll play some Fry's Quest, and then we will start Kirby. Biatch. I'm gonna miss Biatch guy. Kirby and the Amazing Mirror.
If you change
I'm not gonna
gears-
miss this demo mode where they're yelling German in my ear. And yes, and we died only 272 times. I went over 269, Neil.
It's a shame you couldn't stop there.
Yeah, it would have been funny if I would have won at 269. So, all right, let's do some Fry's Quest.